There was this huge debate about what they're called.
Cheese puffs, but blue.
We may have gotten carried away at the bars.
Let's get packing again.
Bailey.
I'm really good at injuring myself.
No, don't listen to me. So we are packing the RV because we're heading up to Watkins Glen for a camping trip. But first we have to stop at the grocery store and get some snacks because, 5 days, Jared has to have a ton of food. Yeah, and we have on not to take Jared on the shopping trip because he's like a big shopper. So he would just want to get everything in sight, and especially when you're shopping for food.
All right, so we got to get 5 days worth of food, snacks, meals, everything. So here we go.
We found these like cotton candy balls, and they're like cheese puffs, but blue. Thanks, Mommy. We're gonna get pretzel house.
I love those. We're spoiling Daddy for the trip. This aisle smells so good. What?
We sent Daddy pics of this when we were here, like last. We thought we were gonna get it, but we said we want, so now we have to get it.
We're gonna make like a surprise box of food and snacks for Daddy for on the trip. Yeah, I like it. So Alex wanted these, but I thought maybe we'd get these instead.
Mango. Wait, focus.
We don't have to worry about Jared eating these.
Mangoes to be cashew.
So we will admit that we do buy some foods that we know Jared won't like, and that we will, so that we at least get some snacks. Otherwise we get barely anything. So we're thinking nut and seed bars. Jared's not fond of them.
These are our bars.
We may have gotten,
For one day.
we may have gotten carried away at the bars. We don't have an oven in the RV, so we can't get things like that need an oven. This might be half of the food we need for the trip.
These can we get them?
No.
Oh, gluten.
Gluten weekend.
Gluten. Alright, so we have our grocery cart full of bars, and we're gonna head home. Hey Jared, we got you lots of food. Good. Oh, that stuff smells. You missed the spot.
We're gonna give this box to Daddy. It's very special. It has some special stuff. Dad! Here, right now.
What's in the box?
Special stuff that we bought you.
I got those.
Flip sides. Those are awesome. Wait a minute. Pretzackers.
I knew you. That's why I got it.
These here are Pretzackers.
That's why I got it. Because I remember the last time we got it, there was this huge debate about what they're called.
They're called now look, Pretzackers. The end.
They're pretzels. Wait. Do we need a bowl?
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Are they Pretzackers
or pretzels?
Pretzels.
Answer the poll.
Yeah,
What
answer the
pretzel
poll.
crackers? What pretzel crackers?
That's yeah.
Okay, anyway.
What's next? More pretzels.
You have to share those with me because I love those.
Pretzel shells. Those are good. Look for me. The price is right. Don't look. Okay, don't look.
Jay, go, open, look.
Oh!
Yes!
Pumpkin spice mini wheats, my favorite kind. Well, not the pumpkin spice, but mini wheats. I love mini wheats.
They didn't have any candy.
Awesome.
Okay, last one, and this is the best.
Best for last.
Oh yeah!
maple bacon Pop Tarts.
Oh man, I can't wait to try them. Limited. See again with the limited edition, they get us with.
So are the pumpkin spice. I'm gonna look at the back. They have the most ridiculous things on this. Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we need some clothing to take along, duh. And we need to pick out outfits in advance. First up, race day. Ta-da! Biking. Ta-da! Now, campfire. Nice. And final one is you gotta count for rain. Ta-da! That's our outfit for the weekend. And then we just need spare clothing, so a little bit of self-marketing never hurts, right?
Yeah.
You know. So yeah.
And also, like, you know, in case you guys
know who you were watching.
Well, now you know. So that map's
right there.
Alright, so now I actually gotta take our clothes out. And Alex has hers in laundry basket, but I don't, so I'm kind of just gonna carry it. It's not that much clothing because it's only 5 days worth. But yeah, I haven't gotten my like stuff, like my brush or a notebook or anything. That I'll put in my backpack. Such a dreary day out. Kind of stopped raining now. It's been drizzling all day. Okay, let's see. I sleep on the trundle bed, so my clothing will go in the second drawer. Because I'm the middle child. You know, if you count that Jared's 1 minute older. I kind of usually fold it, but I kind of just want to get in and get the rest of my stuff together. So, I mean, if it fits, not folded. If it didn't, I would fold it. See how much quicker that was? Did not do it properly. Life lesson. No, don't listen to me. Alex always takes forever to pack because she brings like mounds of stuff.
So we're at the library, and Jared's volunteering, and we're gonna get some books. Right, McKenna? We love getting books. It's so fun. Yeah, we're returning those.
Guess which one is Alex's and which one's ours.
Yeah. So we're getting some books, returning some books.
So this is my main shelving cart filled with DVDs mostly because I can't do the kids' room because I'm not an adult, not 18 years or older. So I have to stick with the adult fiction books, adult non-fiction books, and DVDs.
So I'm picking out some books. I always go to the new section. It says new. I'm still trying to find new ones. I just found a book. It's a graphic novel. I'm getting ready for the Watkins Glen trip now. And so I've got to pick I've got to pick some like clothes and stuff out. I usually just do Joseph stuff because he's my favorite driver, so of course gonna have to. I always pack a ton of stuff. I pack a lot. A lot of stuff. So I think I'm gonna pack 3 Joseph dresses. Now I'm gonna lay out my dresses. So first dress. Bing. Okay. Does that sound me better? There. Cut off. Wait. Wait, that's cut off now. Bleep, 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 bleep. I'm good. Ow. I'm really good at injuring myself, and I hurt my foot. I'm gonna take off all my seats so that it's like flat. Hang on. Bleep. I'm done. And you know I said like they are dresses? They're not like dresses that you buy at the store. They're actually pillowcase dresses that my mom made. So this one says Joseph and has a little heart. This one says Joseph 2, that's his number. And that one says New Gun 2. So I'm gonna go find something to carry the my clothes out. I'm back with a laundry basket. I have lots of bug bites in there. It's so much. Like I got like 7 in one night. 1 is crazy. Okay, I forgot to turn it on. Okay, I'm back again. So, let's get packing again, yeah!
So, after we dropped off Jared, we went home for a little bit, and now his thing's over, so we're back here to pick him up. How was the library, honey?
It was good.
Did you
was
shelve books?
Very booky.
We have arrived in the RV with our stuff. Now we gotta find a place to put it. Alright, so I'm being lazy and I did not open up the slide, but now I have this problem. So I may have to open the slide. If we can make it fit, yay!
From our last trip, I still have all of my stuffies.
But they weren't lonely, it's okay, they had each other.
Yep, they
They probably have like a blast out here. Alright, so Jared has informed me that he has taken over my closet. And I'm like, just fold them and put them in a drawer. He's like, no, I need my shirts hung. So I have now lost half of my closet to the boy.
Okay, so now I have to get the food. McKenna's gonna tape me because I can't because I'm carrying the food. So here you go.
Well, it's not really like the dinner food. It's kind of just like snacks.
Therefore, it's the most important. Oh, no, cream pies.
It's the main snack box.
The camera lady had held the door open, but no, she has to get a certain shot from right there. And from over there. And I had to stop so she'd get a shot there. That's how McKenna is. Alright, open cream pies. Ooh. I had to stop again.
No, this is a really cool shot. This is fun.
Ow!
What are you doing to yourself?
Howdy. We need 2 things of fruit cups. Maple bacon Pop-Tarts. Marshmallow cream. Crunchy peanut butter. Thank you, McKenna.
We might need to move the camera to make
No,
one.
hold on.
No, because then I can't get the camera out. This is barely.
I like to put the toppings for sandwiches or whatever, salads. I like to put them in one place.
Like, where are the? Look at these. Look, no, yeah. Look, mango spinach cashew bars.
Ugh.
So we will admit that we do buy some foods that we know Jared won't like.
They got mango spinach cashew bars.
Oh, that sounds good.
No.
It's like having raspberries on the salad. You know, fruit with like beans.
No, this is the kind
And
of bars
strawberries
I like.
on salad.
Blueberry streusel bars.
Alright, and we always take, well not always, but sometimes we take our instruments so we can practice there. And since it is 5 days, we want to get to practicing in.
Yep, we're too lazy to put the slide out.
Oh wait, this has to go under the bed.
Oops.
I wouldn't do that.
So we've gotten to the point we have to put the slide out. Okay, so we will take you along on the ride as the slide goes out, so you can watch yourself in the mirror. Ta-da! Now we can get through here, and we can open the drawers, and we can
put the violin.
Yep.
So the RV is basically all packed.
Stuffed animals.
Clothes.
Activities.
Bikes.
Food. Food. Frozen food. Canned food.
Dog toys and food. Bathroom stuff.
Glow sticks.
Bed.
Campfire stuff. Chicken.
And then tomorrow morning we'll leave and we'll be off to Watkins Glen. So we'll see you in the next video.